Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi, and this is
Maria Ana,
my lovely lawyer in Portugal. And so I feel like I'm always introducing you. Do you want to talk about yourself a little bit here so people can know?
Yeah, of course. Okay, I'm Maria Ana. I'm Portuguese, born and raised, enjoying my country as time goes by even more. I get to know amazing people like Heidi that move to my country every day. It's amazing, right? We have this big crypto community in Portugal now.
Yeah.
It's true. Everywhere. And it's not only Lisbon. We have it in the south, in the Algarve, where the weather is warmer, right? Then we have Alentejo, very warm in the summer, a little bit colder in the winter. Then we go to the Lisbon area, a lot of crypto, of course. It's the city, the capital of the country. Then we get to Nazaré, where we are, where I'm from.
The sweet spot of Portugal.
The sweet spot of Portugal. Big wave surfing, and not only. We have a huge community here of crypto. We do. Porto also. The youngest love Porto.
Yeah.
Because it's a very vibe, right? Lots of parties and fun. They love Porto. And those who love history, they love Guimarães, Braga, because you have all these, architectural buildings. Amazing. So about myself, I'm a lawyer. I have a law firm in Nazaré and in Lisbon. And I'm now into crypto, thanks to Heidi.
Yeah.
And because of the video we've done in April 19th, I think it was April 19th, 2021.
Yeah.
The majority of my clients are crypto clients, and I'm very happy to say they are also my crypto friends. I'm loving it. I'm loving each day.
That's
Thank
amazing.
you for that, Heidi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's so cool seeing how just a little bit of crypto evangelism can turn into something like a brand new community forming. So,
True.
So cool.
So many friends from all over the world, each one with their own experience, each one with their own story about crypto. Oh, I started in 2012. Or, oh, no, I started in 2018 when the market went down. Or some like me, oh, I only started this year. It's possible. You can start this year and still go. Because I didn't believe it, but you kept telling me, Maria, you're still in time. And I was.
Yep. So the beauty of a brand new asset class, guys. Yeah. So in today's video, I want to target a really popular question that we're often asked about the crypto friendliness, the tax friendliness of Portugal towards cryptocurrencies. That's, our first video we're talking about. Yes, it's very tax friendly. It's tax free, in fact, for cryptocurrency investments. And now recently I've been getting a lot of concerns from people who are saying but what if you're doing a lot of trading? What if cryptocurrency is your main source of income? Is it still tax-free in cryptocurrencies? What is your response to that?
Okay, let's talk about that, because that's a really complex subject, because you have so many ways how to address it.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, we need all to have in mind that it's a crypto-friendly country because there's no legislation about crypto. There's no regulation about crypto. It's not that there's a law that says, oh, you're taxed in this, but you're not taxed in that. No, crypto is not a thing per se in Portugal, and we are loving that.
Yeah.
Right? But you say, Maria, but why is your country losing all this money in crypto? Well, if you think, you can say that, well, do I want to tax crypto in a country where crypto is not a big investment among Portuguese, so I'm only taxing a few? Or do I want to leave it, as it is, waiting to see what the European Union has to say about that? And then this way I invite these crypto millionaires that purchase millionaire houses, and I get a lot of money, a lot of euros in my transmission property taxes and my tax on property every year.
Yeah, sure.
Isn't that smarter?
Yeah.
Because if I tax crypto, I only have a small group of Portuguese that only invest a little bit here, a little bit Shiba or something like that, right? A little bit, just 100 euros here, 1,000 euros there. No millionaires here yet. But, right?
Yeah.
But you invite all these foreigners that are going to invest big money in houses and pay a lot of tax. Okay, so I think that's the main reason.
Yeah.
Okay, because we're not idiots here. Okay, and we are not a severe. And then you have to understand the cultural side of it. We are not a severe country when it comes to taxes. We are not. We're a relaxed country. And in Portugal, this is cultural. we do pay taxes, but it's expected that when you pay taxes, you receive something in return.
Yeah, that's
Right?
very true. Yeah.
Right? So what can you receive in return if the market in crypto is so volatile? It's not like you're going to the tax office and say, okay, I've been paying my taxes, I lost all this money, so now help me. That's not going to happen. So how am I going to approach that? How am I going to tax that? That's a big question. So right now, no taxes. Right now, we are not even discussing that. Right now, that's not even a subject.
Yeah.
We are discussing the government budget for 2022 nowadays. And the crypto is not even a thing. There was one Secretary of State that said, oh, we should try to find ways to attract exchanges in Portugal. That was the only time they spoke about crypto. And it just went on one year and left the other. But they didn't, if they want to do that, they're not going to tax crypto, because if they want to attract the exchange, they will not. So for the nearest future, I don't think that's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball, but bear with me. If they want to tax crypto, they have to do a lot. They have to go to the parliament, they have to study, to discuss it, to approve it or not, to go to the president of the republic to approve it or not, or to send it back to discussion again. So this is going to take a while. And another question that I've been asked a lot is, oh Maria, but if a law comes up and says from now on we'll tax crypto, can they say from those 5 years? No, this is Portugal.
They can't move backward.
No, our Portuguese constitution says you cannot retroact, because there's your expectation. You act a certain way because you were expected not to be taxed in this case.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
So they cannot go back, right?
Yeah.
No, only forward, guys.
Yeah.
So no taxes here. When it comes to trading, a very good question. Am I taxed if I trade 10 times 2100? Well, there's no law on crypto taxes. So no, you're not getting taxed if you trade a lot or trade a few. Oh, but then I'll get confused if I'm a company. It's not that. Some say, Maria, I'm going to open a company. That's the worst thing you can do, because if you open a company and you say, look, I'm opening a company and I want to pay taxes. But what do? I'm a trader. It doesn't matter if you're trading oranges and bananas or if you're trading crypto.
Okay.
You're taxed on the trading activity, not on the crypto.
Okay. So that's the difference, is as an individual versus as a business.
Because if you're a business, you're trading for somebody else. That's what's expected.
Okay.
But if you say, no, Maria, this is my personal assets. I have them. I want to do whatever I want with them. Okay, so enjoy.
Okay.
Even the stock market, we don't tax it that as the other countries do. So this is a cultural thing. So enjoy trading, enjoy yielding, farming.
Exactly, mining, all of this, any kind of income coming from cryptocurrencies as a person,
there
individual.
You go. Yes, as a person, very important. And then you say, Maria, but this is my only source of income.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, true enough. That's very good.
But then you say, oh, Maria, but how can I cash out if I don't have a proof of taxes, if I don't have a proof of...
Okay.
No worries. The banks, the only concern is it money laundering? Can you prove where this money came from? You can go to the historic of your ledger or your exchange and you can show that you invested. It's your own assets. So yeah, you cash out. The only concern is this money laundering? If you can prove it's not, then you're okay. How can you prove it's not? Well, my clients, when I open bank accounts for them, the advice I give is, look, every time you do a cash out, it doesn't matter if it's 50,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100, whatever. Always do a print screen, send to the manager of your account and says, hola, I just sent 1 million from my crypto assets. And that's it.
Okay. So just basically, I think that was...
having a more...
open communication with the bank is telling them that, this is the expectations of this account while you're opening it, it's involved in cryptocurrencies. And then when you're actually making the transactions, giving them another heads up that that's what it's happening for. So that's great. I mean, and fair enough. It's like, people label different countries for being crypto friendly different ways. Either there's no regulation, so it's like,
I know, and then you think, I come from a country where it's so severe, Maria.
Yeah.
They check all the transactions. It's difficult for me to understand why in Portugal it's so simple.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, that's been my experience.
Believe me, it is simple. You say, but I'm trading so much, Maria. but how are we going to know you're trading so much? That's the first question.
Yeah. There's no infrastructure for it yet.
Oh, because I'm trading in the exchange. Portugal doesn't care about your exchange, doesn't ask, doesn't care. There's no changing of information because we're not there yet.
Yeah.
And I don't think we'll ever be.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Because we don't have the human power to do that. And it's not the way we see.
The focus.
It's not the way we address taxes. Don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think we are more focused on property tax, bumping the economy.
Yeah.
And we are doing very well, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's an amazing country.
Yeah. I think it's going to benefit massively from being so open in general, because what we're seeing around the world is all this closed-mindedness.
It's a cultural thing. It's the way we approach life.
Yes.
And that comes across also with taxes. We are not a severe country. We don't go after our citizens, and that's why it's such a happy country, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, and everything that all that we've seen from these different countries reacting however they are to what's happening in the world is, Toby and I, we're typically very nomadic. Like we're gonna move wherever we're treated best.
True.
And what I always come back to is how friendly of a country Portugal is. And like, if that's the worst case scenario, like I'd rather be in Portugal. Like that's my place to go. So.
That's true. And from my experience now, talking with all these clients from all over the world, thanks to that video, thank you, Ivy. They all say, Maria, this is an amazing country. Maria, this is so relaxing. Now I understand what you were saying. And I'm like, God,
it's a Portuguese state of mind.
I said, when do you leave? And they say, you need to come here and see it. I don't want to. Because now I love my country as day goes by because of all the experience I'm being told.
You're hearing all these horror stories from everyone.
No guns. No violence.
Yeah.
No mandatory vaccines. You do whatever you want with your body, right? Nobody's going to tell you what to do.
So there we go.
Amazing country.
Yeah,
please
so far so
join
good.
us.
Yeah. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you, Maria, for letting us all know, enlightening us. If you guys are enjoying this series, please leave a like hit the like on this video, leave a comment down below, and hit subscribe with a bell notification so you can get notified when all these videos are coming out. We're putting out videos every single day on this channel. So
wow.
Yeah, working overtime.
I see.
Anyway, we'll see you guys again soon.
Bye.
Bye.